How to customize the lock icon on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 device. When you set up Face Unlock or Screen Lock on your Samsung phone, you'll see a lock icon at the top of the lock screen. If you want to customize the lock icon style, shape, or color, here's how you can do it. First, unlock your Samsung device. Now, long press on the lock screen to open the customization menu. Tap on the lock icon at the top center of the screen. Here, you'll see different lock icon styles available on your device. If you want, you can even hide the lock icon from the lock screen. You can also choose a different lock icon design, change its color, or customize it with your own photo from the gallery. Simply select the style or image you want to use. After customizing the lock icon, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. That's it! Your new lock icon style and color will now appear on the lock screen of your Samsung device. Whenever you unlock your phone, you'll see the updated lock icon design applied to your Samsung Galaxy device.